Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you 5 meal ideas that are all under $3. These are all meals that I ate this week and they're all delicious. Dinner number 1 is Crockpot chicken and biscuits. So for this I used a chicken breast, peas and carrots that were frozen, chicken broth, a can of cream and chicken soup, and then later I added these jumbo flaky biscuits on top. So this is all you'll need, and then some spray. This meal is super fast to prepare, so all you'll need to do is spray the crock pot first and then just dump your ingredients basically. I like to add the chicken on the bottoms first since it's the heaviest item. And then I will turn it on high for about 4 to 5 hours. Around the last hour of cooking is when you want to add the biscuit dough, so just break it apart into little pieces or however you want really, and then let it cook for the last hour. So here's the final result of dinner. It was super good and perfect for fall time. And as you can see, this meal came to about $2.10 per serving. So, nice and cheap. Dinner number 2 is going to be a garlic shrimp scampi with baked potato. So you'll need shrimp, vegetable broth, rice, butter, and then baked potato, and then the sour cream is optional if you want it on your potato or not. This meal's super easy to make. You just want to saute your shrimp in a pan with the vegetable broth and butter, and then add garlic and whatever other spices you would like, and then cook your rice as per the box instructions. I also add a little bit of the vegetable broth into it to give it more flavor. And then to make your baked potatoes, I just microwaved mine, poked some holes in it with a fork, and then wrapped it in paper towels and put it in the microwave on intervals of 3 minutes until it was fully cooked. Here's the end result of dinner number 2, and it reminded me a lot of Red Lobster shrimp scampi. And this dinner came to $3.14, a little bit pricier because of the shrimp, but still not too bad. Dinner number 3 is one of my fall favorites. It's going to be chili. So for this you'll need some ground turkey, dark red kidney beans, chili beans, black beans, chili ready tomatoes, and then tomato sauce. And then I also made some cornbread as a side dish. First I'm going to prepare the cornbread since it'll take the longest. I'm just going to use some muffin tins and then follow the box instructions to make this. Now to start the chili, I first cooked up the ground turkey and then rinsed and drained the beans. I'm just going to add those, as well as about a cup of water. And then I will add both the chili ready tomatoes and the tomato sauce, and then let that simmer. So here's dinner number 3. I just topped the chili with some sour cream and cheese, and this meal ended up coming to about $2.30 per serving. Dinner number 4 is going to be turkey meatballs over mashed potatoes and gravy with some sweet peas. So you'll need some turkey gravy mix, sweet peas, buttery potato mix, some turkey, and some panko, as well as an egg. I started off the meatballs by adding my ground turkey, panko, and the egg, as well as some seasonings, and then form them into what will be the meatballs. And then I just bake them in the oven. I don't exactly remember the temperature. I think it was maybe 300. And then I just checked on them. I don't really time my food, which is bad, but I know. And then the mashed potatoes, gravy, and peas, I just cooked according to the packaged instructions. Here's dinner number 4, and the meatballs turned out really good. I was a little skeptical because it was the first time I made them, but I really enjoyed them. And this dinner ended up being around $2.66 per serving. So for the last dinner, I made a garlic shrimp pasta with green beans. So for this, you'll need milk, vegetable broth, cheese, butter, shrimp, pasta, and green beans. So I just cooked the pasta and green beans like it's as the package said, and then I cooked my shrimp in the butter and vegetable broth. And then at the end, I added cheese on top and added the noodles once cooked to the shrimp. So here was the final dinner. The pasta turned out really good, and I did add garlic to it, forgot to mention that. And this dinner came to about $3.05. Sorry that the camera is off angle. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some new meal ideas. Bye.